Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Inspiration by Lynn. So today guys, actually I decided to do a small shopping for my fridge. Actually my fridge has been empty for a very long time. So today I did a small shopping and I want us to unpack with you. I want to show you what 5,000 Kenya shillings can do na hii economy aside. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and please don't forget to share. And again, don't forget to follow my account TikTok here. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. So actually I've lost for a very long time, but I'm back like I never left. So come, let's see what 5,000 Kenya shillings can do. So guys, I want us to see what 5,000 Kenya shillings can do. So I have these hooks, kitchen hooks that I got. Actually it was 150 Kenya shillings, and for me I really like white and gold. Yeah, so this one goes for 150 shillings. Then I have these kitchen towels. I got these two kitchen towels, each at 100 shillings, so that was 200 Kenya shillings. Yeah, so these are kitchen towels. Yogurt. Then I got this milk. It's not advertisement. I got this Minute Maid. I really like this Minute Maid tropical. Yeah, tropical mixed fruits. Another yogurt. Yeah, and then I also got maziwa lala sweetened. This is what I like. Then I got this apple. Yeah, this one for apple. I got this canned Fanta. You see? I got this one Sprite. I got this one Coca-Cola. All these are for my fridge. Dishwashing. This is dishwashing liquid. I really like this one. It always smells so nice. I got this auto spray. It was going for 12.50. Yeah, this one is auto spray. Let me show you how it works. You open. So you open down, then you open this one. Then you put it this way. You put it that way. Then you close it. You close it that way. Then you open this part here, you put the battery. This is the battery, it comes with the battery. So you put the battery up here, that way. So, and it has something here that you press it, you count your seconds. There is 10, 30, and 15. So let me put it 15. Then you close it. That's it, you close it. So you see? So this is the part that the air freshener comes out. I got bar soaps, meaning I also got washing powder, Ariel. I really like lavender. It comes with, there was a giveaway battery. Yeah. So guys, these are a few things that I got for today for my fridge and some things. So those were a few things that I got for today for my fridge. My fridge has been so empty for a very long time. So I decided to go with these few things and I'm happy. So if you come to my house, you'll be having some drinks. Actually, I'll be restocking. So tomorrow maybe I'll go for groceries. Yeah, things like tomatoes. Yeah, coriander, kales, all those. So for today, stay tuned. Always I'll be uploading videos. Subscribe, like, comment, and please don't forget to share.